Digital Planet is a purpose-based business, and our vision is to impact 1 million lives annually by 2025. Our goal is to deliver a laptop with education to every South African.
Some of the challenges we experienced with our legacy financial suite was the sheer volume of data we had in the system. We had accumulated almost 19 years worth of transactional data split across multiple companies.
Data tracking was previously done in silos. We had two systems, our order management system, which controlled our stock movement, and then we had our accounting system.
The amount of manual work that our people had to do just became a hindrance on the business. Our aim was to find a platform that would allow our people to move more towards knowledge work than manual task-driven work.
Now with Acumatica, all of the information is at one place.
We have serialized tracking from the points of receipt all the way up to point of dispatch, and the reverse if required.
Our in-house system now is integrated into the Acumatica system, which means manual invoicing is a thing of the past.
Acumatica played a critical role in our ability to pivot to working from home during the COVID-19 lockdown period.
Because the system is cloud-based, we were able to work at home almost instantly, and we did our first virtual audit. All we had to do was give our auditors temporary access to the system. Actually, it was our best audit to date.
Acumatica gives us total control and flexibility to customize the platform as we see fit. As our business evolves, so can we evolve the platform.
We're saving time, streamlining our processes, and reducing our resources.
It definitely improves communication because everybody understands what everybody else is talking about.
Acumatica is a system that has made our business more efficient and actually broke down the silos within our business.
We want to have a big impact in South Africa, and Acumatica is the platform that will enable us to do so.